On this ride along, a woman wants the body cams on.
Is your body cam on?
Of
Turn the body
course.
cams on now.
An officer isn't taking phone calls.
Who is that?
Our father.
I don't want to talk to him.
And another uses a door as a conversation stopper.
So am I getting arrested?
On Saturday, May 24th, officers were patrolling the area near the Orange County Convention Center in Orlando when they noticed the car in front of them had an expired temporary tag on it. So they'd pull the car over and get out to see what was up.
Hey, how are you? I'm Deputy Kenisi, Orange County Sheriff's Office.
Yeah, what did I
Do you have
get before?
your license plate expired? Is there a reason why you have that expired?
Oh, hold on. 'Cause I just got a new car.
The officer would signal with a finger to her nose that she smelled a funky odor coming from the car.
Can I give you a picture of it?
You don't have it with you?
No, I do.
Oh.
It's just, it's literally, my car's dirty as shit. I don't know where it's at.
Due to the smell, the officer started to peek around. It's not clear if she saw it at this moment, but a 9mm round of ammo was lying near the driver's feet.
And I have a license plate that are you okay?
Yeah. No, I'm just saying the license plate expired in April.
It's for a license plate. Y'all shouldn't be all in the car like that.
But when you're reaching around, I gotta see where you're
Well, you
reaching
can
to.
see where I'm reaching, and he can see too. Y'all, I'm on window down. We're not playing this fucking cop there. You pulled me over for an expired license. I have a brand new car, and I have a new license that I can show you. So is there anything else you need?
10-4. Do you have the registration that goes with it?
Yes, I have everything.
And can you lower the windows for me? All the windows? Yeah. All the
What?
windows. I'm asking you to lower all the windows.
No, that's all you get. You need my registration.
That's all I get. All right.
Come on.
Yep. No, you can step out.
For what?
Step out the car.
I'm
People
not
base-
moving.
all right.
I'm not moving. If you touch
All right.
me, I promise you.
All right, step out of the car.
What am I stepping out the car for? You're gonna unlawfully
Because you're not giving me any
I
of your
gave you my
information.
registration. Your body cam on? Is your body cam on?
Of
Turn the body
course.
cams on now. Hey,
They're
call the
on.
supervisor on her. Call the
They're
supervisor.
on.
Call the
What's the
supervisor.
issue?
Because he just tried to remove me from the vehicle because I said I didn't want to run my windows down. I gave her the registration.
If I can't see in
have
the car-
a new plate. I do not have to step in the car.
driver's license?
Yes, I'm trying to.
it?
Bro, I'm trying to find it. What you trying to touch me for?
Right. All right, step out. I'm telling you, step
What
out
do
the
I
car.
have to step out for? That's not lawful at all. I don't have
Listen,
to step
first
out.
of all, if she asks you to step out, you can
Why?
step out.
Okay.
Because she's asking you
Okay,
to.
can
Because
get your
you're
supervisor?
currently being
Can you get your
detained.
supervisor? Can you get your supervisor?
Do you understand what detained
No,
means?
I'm not detained for no lawful shit.
Okay.
Get a supervisor. I'm trying to find my ID. Nobody
County
should give y'all a
35
hard
by
time.
221
Y'all should
supervisor,
have
take
put me on
one.
the car for no reason. That's crazy.
Let's get your driver's
Right,
license
sorry.
out.
I'm trying to find it. Vehicle registration.
Can we have a supervisor 51, please?
Did you even see if this car was registered?
Right now, it's got a tag on it that's
That's
part
what
of
I'm saying.
April.
I just gave you the registration, so go check it to make sure I'm not like illegal like you think I am. You trying to pull me out of the
Well, you have a tag that's on your vehicle that's expired.
I have a new. This is a brand new car, and I have a new license plate in the trunk that I can show you.
Okay, but why isn't it attached?
Cause it's a tip tag that I had for a
But if you have a
temporary time.
license
Yes,
plate
I
that's
just thought
assigned-
the car's new.
Okay, but if you have it in the trunk, why
Because
is
I
it not
used the tip
attached?
tag. When you get a tip tag, you can use it for as much time. I didn't know the time ran out. It expires, so that means it just expired.
All right, and are there any weapons in this car?
Yes.
Okay, where? Because
Alright.
don't reach for anything because I'm seeing that ammo on the floor. That's why I'm asking. Don't reach for anything, but are you?
Bro, oh my goodness. Call the supervisor.
Where's the weapon at?
It's in my freaking bag. It's closed.
Okay, just leave it there.
What am I getting pulled over for? Oh.
Because your tag is expired.
Okay, if my tag don't have the proper, can I show
And
you
you're-
my new tag?
That's fine, but the fact doesn't change that it's not attached to the vehicle.
I understand
You were
that,
stuck.
but if you still have it, that's proof that I have a tag. That's fine.
But
Okay,
it's
then,
still
so you
not
put me up for it.
attached to the vehicle.
For those curious, the specific Florida law that requires your license plate to be physically attached to the vehicle and not kept in the glove box, on the dash, or in the trunk is Florida Statute Section 316.605, subsection 1. This is a non-criminal traffic infraction. Despite this, though, the driver would continue with her argument until she reached the person she was trying to call.
I mean, I asked him to call the supervisor multiple times.
I did call the supervisor. You can watch her on my body camera.
Go ahead and call him. I'm not trying to find my shit, bro. Hold on.
The officer would go to put the zero in the patrol car while the other officer tried to maintain control of the traffic stop.
Am I allowed to get out? You wanted me to get out in the first
Yeah,
place.
I'm gonna step out.
I don't know, man. Can you
All
find my location?
All right. Don't go into the trunk. Don't go. All right, just stand right here.
Hold on, look. I'm
No,
not
I get.
You're pissing me off.
Listen.
Look.
All right, listen. You don't have to do that. You don't have. Listen,
Stop touching me. I'm taking my shirt off.
we're being respectful to
I
you.
know, why you
We're
gotta
asking
touch
that in
me if I'm
return.
taking my shirt off?
I'm trying to tell you, you don't have to do all that. I don't know what you have on you or not on you.
Bro, she has my gun. I don't have nothing on me, clearly.
All right, you have to step
No, I'm
step
trying to,
away
bro.
step
Quit
away
touching
from the
me.
trunk.
Quit touching me, bitch.
Okay.
Give me my phone.
Let's relax.
What is she
Listen,
touching me for?
All right.
Don't touch me. You don't gotta touch me.
First of all,
You don't gotta touch me. You don't gotta touch me.
in charge here.
You're not
What are y'all touching me for, though?
because
What
you're
are y'all
not
touching me
Stop
for?
resisting.
I'm not
Stop
arrested.
resisting.
I'm not arrested. What are y'all
Let's
touching
relax
me for?
right now.
Can you please explain what I did, please? Y'all, please
I'm
stop.
not listening to any
Bro,
instructions.
I don't have to listen. You don't have to restrain me.
Of course you.
You don't
Listen.
have to stop. Like, what are you doing? Sir, are you a supervisor?
put your hands behind your back.
For what? What am I getting arrested for?
No one said you're arrested at this
So
time.
what are you detaining me for? You can't
Because
touch me
you're not
unlawfully.
listening to lawful
I'm
orders.
listening to you, so you're
No,
gonna
you're
arrest
not.
me? Because I'm not physically listening. I didn't touch you. I
You're
didn't do
being
anything.
detained right now because you're being incredibly uncooperative.
No, because y'all just took my gun. Y'all just took my shit. without saying
Absolutely, because you're sitting there with the butt of the gun sitting out next to the
shit.
passenger.
It was not sitting out. You
Of
lying.
course it was. All right.
Now y'all. And my ID's right there. Y'all see
Okay,
that?
that's
So
fine.
what y'all doing?
We'll check everything.
Then check it.
You are being incredibly
Bro, check my ID.
uncooperative
Y'all
for
said
no
the force
reason.
ID.
You said
Check
you
my
didn't have
ID.
your ID.
I said I did. I couldn't find it, bitch. Check your body cam, stupid bitch. I did say I had a body cam. Now shut the fuck up talking to me. Do your damn job. You can't even restrain me right. Two of y'all.
You're restraining just
Check
fine.
my
and
ID
good.
and shut up. Can I at least get my phone?
We will get it for you. Just have a seat till we figure everything out.
And I don't consent to no searches, nothing that.
That's not up to you.
It is up to me. I don't consent to shit. I don't consent to no searches. I don't consent.
You don't have to consent. Right now
Yes, I
you're
do.
detained.
I'm not detained. You didn't even detain me for nothing
You
legal.
already have a firearm.
Okay, which is legal. You didn't check to see if it was, did you? Exactly. You're finna get us some shit. You didn't even
All right,
check to see if
sit
my
down.
arm was legal.
Sit down. All right, you're detained right now, right? You're not under arrest. We have to
Okay,
do
go
further
ahead. Do what you
investigation,
gotta
all right?
do. No, sir.
All right. That's her.
As requested, a supervisor would arrive shortly thereafter to discuss the situation.
How you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you?
All right, I'm Sergeant Littlejohn.
Yes, sir.
What's going on?
Sir, I got pulled over for an expired tag.
Okay.
The situation obviously escalated itself. I'm very upset. You're the
Okay.
supervisor?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
want to report these two officers for, first of all, they escalated the situation way more than it had to be. She pulled
Okay.
me over. She said you have a temporary tag, which I understand.
Uh-huh.
When you get a new car, that's what they give you. I
Right.
have my license plate in my trunk, which I tried to tell her. You know, I got pulled over, so I was a little jumbled. I couldn't find my freaking license. I told
Okay.
her that as well. So I'm obviously upset, and I understand that. But sir, I
Okay.
didn't break no damn laws. They don't have a right to illegally detain me. I didn't do anything. I didn't run away from them. I didn't physically harm them. I didn't threaten them at all. So this is illegal, and it's hot back here. And I'm trying to tell her that. She said the air's on. It's hot as back here.
Okay.
It's hot.
I
And then it's
understand.
like, I told her everything was good in my car. They took my gun. So then after they took my gun, I got out to go get my license plate. Then they detained me. I don't know what you have in the trunk. You just took my firearm. Like, what are you talking about? My license is good. My registration is good. And I'm upset. That doesn't give them the right to detain somebody. I didn't break no damn law.
Okay.
Like, that's the problem.
All right,
You-
I'm listening to you.
No,
okay?
and I understand that.
Let me just say a few things, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes,
All
sir.
right, correct me if I'm wrong. Did they give you instructions not to move around or grab that firearm or go back to the trunk?
Well, that's the thing. She didn't let me. She tried to unlawfully remove me from the vehicle, so I would have been out regardless. I got out when I wanted to get out. That was
When they found the firearm,
she
they
took it. She took
okay.
it. So I
All
didn't
right.
have no firearm in my car.
All right,
That was done.
so they legally detained you on that.
No, I didn't. No, they didn't legally detain me. She literally, before she even legally detained me, she removed me. She tried to forcibly remove me from my vehicle, and that's
Okay.
on her body cam. And I want
Did
to
she
report
give you
that.
commands to step out of the vehicle?
No, she didn't. How did she give me commands to step out of the vehicle if I didn't even get a chance to?
All right, I'm going to review
Okay,
your
can
body
I
cam
report?
regardless.
Who can I report? That's what I want to do. Who can
You're
I report?
reporting it to me right
Yes,
now,
yes,
okay?
sir.
Because I
wanna
am the
report C.
supervisor.
Kennison and what's her name? D.
That's-
Rising or whatever. I
okay.
want to report it.
All
I want a physical police report. However you do it.
There isn't going to be a
Okay,
physical report.
I want to report. I want to report what just happened from them to them because it's two damn officers. And you know what's crazy? She got a video on body cam and I got a video on my phone.
Okay.
Like when you're an officer, I get that y'all have a job to do, but
Mhm.
y'all be breaking laws. Y'all literally broke a law. Talking about something you got an expired tag. So why are you fishing for more shit? If it's for an expired tag, she's in my car looking like that. Like y'all have certain jurisdictions. Roll all your windows down. I do not have to legally roll all my windows down.
While no law exists, refusing to adequately roll your windows down can be viewed as an officer safety risk, which the U.S. Supreme Court has said gives officers the right to tell a driver to step out of the vehicle, which is pretty much what this officer had done.
I'm asking you to blow all the windows. That's all you get. That's all I get. All right. You know, no, you can step out.
So you broke another law there.
Nope.
So
When they give you lawful command, you have
there's
to
no such
comply
thing,
with
sir.
it.
You was sergeant. You know damn well there's no such thing
When
as
they
a lawful
give you a
command.
lawful
There's no
command.
such thing as a lawful
Yes,
command.
there
Stop
is.
playing with me. There's
Okay.
rights. There's rights. I didn't break no
Because
rights.
it's a safety
Yes,
issue
and
when they
guess what?
see
Guess
the
what?
butt
So
of a.
we can go to court.
Can
Let's go to court. Let's go to court.
Can I
please.
talk?
No, because now you
don't want
started
me
with
to
that
talk.
talking about some lawful
Okay.
command. I hate when
I'm
y'all do
trying
that.
to explain
There's
to you
no
what's
such thing as
going-
a lawful command, sir.
You
It's
understand
right or
how
wrong.
communication
Yes,
works?
you're not-
Okay,
no,
one
y'all not
party
bullshit.
talks, the other one listens.
No.
All right, the other one talks, the other one
Am I
listens.
getting arrested? Like,
All
what
right,
do I do?
just stand
No,
by,
I'm trying to
okay?
figure out what's going on. I told them I didn't want them to search my car, and now she's searching
I'm
my
gonna
car.
let you cool off. I'll be right back.
The supervisor would try to have a conversation with the driver a couple minutes later, but that didn't go very well either.
What was your question, ma'am?
I'm trying to figure out how, if I have a legal firearm, why am I getting my vehicle searched?
Because they smell weed and they can see
That's not a
evidence.
probable cause.
They can see
And I
evidence.
said, I
Can
said
I
didn't
explain?
want-
Can I talk?
Yes, sir, but you said you smell weed, which is not a probable cause. That's what I'm trying to tell you, so I don't
I
want you to
can't
search my
complete
vehicle.
my sentence with you every time you interrupt me.
So am I
If
getting
you would
arrested?
That would be the end of that.
What?
Why is there so many police here?
Because
Over a temp tag?
no, over her attitude.
Over her attitude? Okay,
Yeah.
well, she just started her period, and maybe if you guys gave her a minute to calm down.
Yeah, that's
before
not an excuse.
No, that they came at her first.
Because she wasn't being cooperative. Go back to the front of the car where I told you to stand a minute ago.
Why are you talking to me like that? Like I'm doing something wrong. Don't talk to me
Because
like that.
you've been told to
No,
stand
you don't.
still.
Okay, but you don't get to talk to me like that if I'm doing nothing wrong.
You are doing something wrong. You're not listening. Very simple instruction. Stay there.
Like the channel, subscribing helps keep this narrator's tags always up to date.
He wants to talk to you.
Who is that?
Our father.
I don't want to talk to him.
He said he don't want to talk to you.
How old are you? Hey, how old are you?
22.
Okay, so I don't need to talk to your dad.
Okay.
A search of the car wouldn't turn up much other than a negligible amount of the stuff causing that funky smell and the valid license plate in the trunk. After that, the officers were thinking they'd tow the car, but the passenger didn't like the sound of that.
I have no phone, nothing. This is me genuinely asking you to release the car to me. I will make sure it gets taken. Her
Car's registered to her.
Huh?
But the car's registered to her and she's
Her
going to
grandma is
jail.
the owner of the car. And this is her mom. This is her mom. Huh? But her grandma is the owner of the car.
It's not registered to her.
You're on the phone with someone.
I'm on the phone with her mother. Her mother is.
He's coming to come and get you. You're an adult. You can walk
I
away from
have
it.
nobody. This is her parents.
You're an adult. You can walk away then.
Walk away. I have no charger. I have nothing.
Eventually, the officers decided to release the car to the passenger.
So the bottom line is, the kindness of these deputies that you guys were given a hard time with.
I wasn't giving.
No, listen to me.
You
Can I
were
talk?
not far away.
All right.
Release the car to you.
You're part of this. All right.
Thank you.
So it doesn't
I'm gonna
close
put
up
the
on.
tag on. Okay?
All right. The car's going to go to you. Okay.
The officer charged the woman with resisting without violence, possession of cannabis, and possession of paraphernalia. The assistant state attorney wouldn't pursue those last two charges, though, so she was just left with the resisting charge, to which she'd eventually plead no contest. Adjudication was withheld, and she was ordered to pay court costs and fines of $373. She wouldn't pay it by the due date, though, so the court sent a suspension notice to the DMV. Payment was then made a couple weeks later, and the suspension on her driver's license was lifted. Thanks for watching. See you on the next ride along.